Start by browning your butter. Stir now and then until it turns golden and smells nutty. Let it cool completely so we avoid melting our sugar. Add granulated sugar and light brown sugar to the cool brown butter. Mix until it looks smooth and shiny. In goes the egg and vanilla, and then mix until it's smooth and glossy. And here's our dry ingredients. Cornstarch is the trick for that soft, chewy cookies. Dry ingredients in. Now, mix just until everything comes together. Skip the chips. Chopped baking chocolate gives you melty pools every time. Measuring the dough gives you even cookies across the batch. Press in a few chocolate chunks. That's how you get those melty chocolate pools. And shaping them tall, that's the trick for creating those bakery-style ripples. Bake straight from the fridge. If you try these, come back and tell us. We want to know what you think.